Hi, I'm Tim Hayes, and I'm your student science teacher. I just want to spend a few minutes talking about what we've been working on this quarter, what we're going to be working on in the second quarter, and just kind of introduce myself. So, anyway, let's see. I'm also your student's math teacher, but I'm going to put together a video with Miss Leff Allen, and we're going to share that together. Anyway, this quarter we've really been busy, kind of learning what it is to be a scientist and what the scientific process is, how to think scientifically. And then we've spent considerable amount of time looking at what is matter and exploring this idea about weather and air. And, is the idea of is air matter? Your student was able to learn how to write a claim evidence reasoning statement, which is a scientific statement that they make. They make a statement making a claim, and then they support that claim with evidence from investigations we've done in class, and they use scientific reasoning to connect the evidence to the claim. So it's kind of a really fun way to see the whole process of learning something new, making some deep understanding about that, and then supporting your thinking with evidence and scientific reasoning. We've also worked on density of fluids, which include gases and liquids. And so we've been focusing on air and how that creates weather. And so what happens when air is cold or warm, and how they interact when they meet. Let's see. Some of the other things we're going to be working on as we move forward is our next unit is going to be on climate change. And so we're looking at the evidence that's out there about, is our climate changing? What is the history of our world, our Earth, and its change in its climate? So what's been a pretty stable pattern, and what's contributing to a possible change in that pattern. And so you'll be hearing and seeing a lot more of that. Um, I'm excited. I've been really excited to meet everybody in our class. We have a great group of people. It's so much fun when we just get to chat and talk about science. I want to thank you, families, for encouraging your student to show up to class, to participate, to be there. And if we can continue to encourage that, I know that we can make the best of a difficult situation. And I will say that I'm having so much fun getting to know everybody. I'm having a lot of fun talking about science. It's so cool when you can see other students get excited about something. Every once in a while, I'll get a video from a student. They've done their own experiment. They've tried something at home, and they're sharing the results. I think that is just the coolest. So if there's any chance of encouraging that, that'd be great. I am always available during office hours. You can schedule that through the Google Classroom. Your student can definitely help you figure out how to make an appointment, because I'm always available if you have any questions or any concerns and you'd like to talk. I am more than happy to meet and find ways to support your student, and do the best we can together as a team. So please reach out to me if you ever have any questions. Please, don't hesitate to ask if you're wondering about something, or, like I said, just want to meet or get extra support for your student. All right, it was great to kind of introduce myself again. Always available. Let me know what you need, and I am here to support you and everybody in the team here. So we got this.